Hello everyone. Let me introduce the plugin I have developed. As you can see, this character has only one animation and no footsteps, right? Now, how can we add footsteps to him? Let's open this tab. There is nothing here initially. Then, we add modifiers, these three. Click Apply. Now it automatically adds the footsteps. Let's take a look at the result. Now he has footsteps. This plugin automatically detects the position of your footsteps and generates synchronized markers for footsteps, footsteps sound effects, and footsteps visual effects. There is another feature that calculates the animation speed and converts it into a curve. For example, in the current animation, we have a sliding step. You can clearly feel that the foot is sliding on the ground. Now slowing down the speed of time passing to observe its sliding steps. Now let's take a look at this automatically generated curve. Its value is 435 centimeters per second, and we will set it as the actual speed of the character. The nodes here retrieve the value of the curve from the anim instance and apply it to the max walk speed of the character's movement. Now let's take a look at the result. When we slow it down, we can see that the footsteps perfectly match the ground. Now let's listen to the original audio of the video.
我们现在到这个草地上来走一走。它就可以做到很精准。
In this demonstration video, I used two assets from the marketplace. One is the Niagara Footstep VFX, and the other is the Greatsword animation. These two assets are only used for demonstration purposes in the video and are not included in the plugin. However, the footstep sound you heard earlier was recorded by myself and is included in the plugin. Now, let me explain how to quickly use this tool. We find this tool and then open the settings. Open Toolkit Setting Default. This is the configuration of the tool. Fill in the name of your root bone here. The topmost one is the root bone. And then, fill the bone of your left and right foot. In this skeleton, the bones of the feet are called ball right and ball left. Typically, they are not directly called foot but ball. They represent the frontmost position of the foot sole. Time offset refers to the offset on the timeline, where you can fine-tune this value to change the position of generated notify and sync marks. Here you can fill your custom notify here, and you can open the Add Notify First Step blueprint to setting the variable of your notify. Below are the generated algorithms and parameters. If the generation fails, you can try adjusting them randomly. After completing the basic settings, we select all the moving animations. Right-click, Animation Modifiers, add Modifiers. The first three are pre-provided tools that can be added depending on the situation. In the demo video, we will add all of them. Apply. It takes a few seconds. Now we can see that all the footsteps have been automatically added. The generated positions are all very accurate. Now open Setting, VFX Setting. Here are the particle, Niagara, and sound effects corresponding to the physical material when step notify is received. Let's back to the default setting. If you have a lot of skeleton and they have different root bone name, foot name, and other setting, You can duplicate this file. Remember, do not Ctrl-V and Ctrl-C. Ctrl-V and Ctrl-C do not work on this file. It's a bug for Unreal. Duplicate and rename them. Open the Default Use setting. Add element, and write a name and fill the setting. Which data you want to use. You can write the name down here. Regarding animation modifiers, you can find more usage and operation methods in the official documentation of Unreal Engine. Thank you for watching, and if you have purchased the toolkit, please remember to give me a 5-star rating. This video's voiceover was generated by AI. Thanks again.